Hi guys, good morning everyone. Am I audible to you? Please ping in the chat box. So in yesterday's workshop, a few facts I discussed with you. All these are related to Django Fondas and Django related some examples we observed in the last workshop. So what are the facts I discussed in the last session? Just one overview I'm giving. Then I'll enter into second workshop on a couple of examples on Django environment. Python is an interpreted general purpose programming language. So Python is the prerequisites before you are entering into Django. Why web development? So in today's world, there are multiple choices to promote your business. As I explained in the last session to you, and maximum each and every component and every resource area is web. Collection of electronic resources is called web. So web is now major environment to reach any kind of audience. 24 by 7 accessibility, global marketing. So we can try to find any product around the world within fraction of seconds. So web development is a major component in all the aspects of software industry. Remember, for that web environment area, one of the popular and famous one is Django framework. It is a purely developed based on Python coding. So why we use Python for web development? This is a big word. Why we use Python for web development is a big word. Python easy. Dynamically, we can build web applications, more functions. We can implement here reusable code effective way. Perfect language for building prototypes. Great flexibility. Lots of useful frameworks. Big list of frameworks existed. Provides quick processing. So really, if you are going to select Python is a major programming language for any kind of web development. So there we can enjoy effective and efficient outputs. Reason, easy, dynamic, less code, perfect language, and flexibility. Then what is web framework? Before that, I made in the last session already framework definition. Framework is a platform for developing software applications. So which includes code libraries, compiler, and other programs. What is a web framework? Web framework means it is a platform to develop web applications effectively, efficiently, in an optimized manner. In that level, most popular web framework right now in the industry is Django from Python programming. After that, I made some frameworks types from Python programming. Actually, in Python programming, there are the lots of web frameworks existed. These all web frameworks are just classified into two types. First one is micro web frameworks. Second one is full stack web frameworks. A micro web framework is used to develop micro web applications. Nowadays, from Python programming, very popular micro web framework is Flask, which I am covering with Django um, components. You know Flask, you can develop efficient micro web applications. Bottle, Cherry Pie, Falcon, all these are other web frameworks from Python. Full stack web frameworks, which are mixing with front end as well as middle and back end. And here front end level total client side technologies are coming, back end level total server plus database server related technologies also coming. Nowadays, popular full stack web framework is Django. The next one is Web 2.0. That next one is Turbo Gears. Anyway, Python web frameworks are very popular right now in the market. In that one, the first priority we are giving to Django because of its features, simplicity, as well as efficiency. After that, when choosing a better web framework, how we are going to select means any kind of technology or any kind of tool or any framework if you are going to select, first we are taking about features and its stability, at the same time efficiency. So all these three things, if you are observing in Django, perfectly existed. The world of Python web frameworks provides lots of choices: Django, Flask, Bottle, Diesel, Web2 PY, Pyramid, Falcon, Pecan, like this number of frameworks available. But Django is a major framework to develop outstanding web applications. I can say full stack web applications we can able to develop. So understand the capability of Django web framework in a simple and efficient way, my dears. And definitely you are getting good idea on that one. What is Django? In the last session already I made good definition. Django is nothing but Python's MVT web framework, model view template. So model is nothing but a backend, view is nothing but a front end, template is nothing but, view is nothing but a Python coding, template is nothing but a completely front end. So try to observe a couple of videos existed on these MVT framework level in Naresheti channel. Try to watch that. You will get clear idea about what is Django. It is a Python's MVT web framework. So let me speak about these four terminologies. Python is a programming language which we are writing logic in our Django. And next one is MVT is a design pattern. Web is a collection of electronic resources. Framework is the platform. So hope you guys understood. Remaining definitions are almost the same. It is a free open source full stack Python web framework. Next one also said web application framework written in Python, maintained by DSF, Django Software Foundation. So finally, all these definitions meaning only one. What is that? Efficiently we can able to work with the Django environment, with the Django framework, right? And history of Django is very effectively implemented here. So who actually developed Django? Why actually its name is Django Reinhardt? All these words explained in the last session. Before you are going to watch this video, please refer my first video, then you can come to this video, so that every basic you are crystal clear. Then this session completely practical oriented. Even though in the first workshop, whatever the points I made to you guys, that one I'm giving once again repetition only. That's it. So there are the couple of versions available: 1, 1.5, 1 point, like there are couple of versions, 2, 2.1, 2.2, 3, 3, like that. But latest version we are using 3.1.3. So up to 2, I shown to you the versions. If you are going to observe that, djangoproject.com, if you are entering into that website, immediately you can see 3.1.3, the latest version. Practically also you can able to observe if you are coming to command prompt, and just you can say pip show Django. In the last session already explained all these words. Pip show Django. So 3.1.3, always maximum I'm using latest version. But for real-time industry purpose, one version or two version back always enough, because every latest version is releasing trial and error type. So that is the reason you people need to remember and very clearly all these points. Right, I'm coming to the next level. So some practical examples I shown to you in the last session. That before I'm entering into practical examples, Django features, Django strength: ridiculously fast, fully loaded, reassuringly secure, exceedingly scalable, incredibly versatile. very clearly, practically, we can try to observe in our Django batch, but these features I'll show you practically today in today's session. Also, yesterday I started already examples. So now, before I'm entering into more information, let me start without any delay. Practical things. Anybody you want to follow Django related resources, don't go to any third party websites. Best you can go with djangoproject.com. There, just you can click on learn more about Django, and they're displaying why Django, what exactly the meaning of Django, and they're giving couple of features with complete and clear explanation, and the related links also available. Please try to follow that for better information. Right, guys. So last session we did one example, I said already, and this is the example which is presented in front of you. Now I'm entering into more level. Now I'm creating Django admin start project, project name DJ. I'm giving today second project. So I'm creating DJ's second project. Okay. So in the first level, whatever the components I shown to you, based on that one, second one I'm constructing. So come to here just simply. And if you are coming to that level, and what I'm going to here, Django admin start project and project name DJ. I'm giving second project. So here case sense to all the things, nothing work out. You can give this is as you like. So this is completely predefined, means lower case only. So now I'm giving here Django admin is the command. Start project is option, not optional. DJ second project is name of the project. Awesome. Now let me enter into that practical environment. Just hit the return key. Once you are hitting the return key, the related resources existed automatically by hitting tree structure, you can see. So these many files existed here. So this is project root level, Django level, couple of files existed. Manage.py is managing all the resources at project level. And ASGI, a synchronous gateway interface, settings a single central location for every project. URLs are nothing but path, and WSGI.py is nothing but web server gateway interface. Web server gateway interface. So this is the server. We can use different web servers also. How to configure the servers, I'll try to show you. Like G-Unique on server, generally we are using production level. Right, now I want to run this one, pymanage.py. And first, before you are going to run that, cd dj second pro. Then only you need to go with run server. So Python you can use, py also you can use, no problem. Interpreter, any name you can use. Latest level py we are using. No, you are little bit older version if you are using, even Python also you can use. Result will be same. There is nothing difference. Yes, you got it that. Just go to browser, and whatever the starting development server address is there, this one just copy and you can paste in your browser, and it is giving the home page of your Django web framework. Yes, it is going to open that. So check it. So couple of resources, it is going to be open. Perfectly opened here. So now I'm going to create in today's session applications. What is an application? How these application we are going to create in our Django. So application. Creating applications. So there are the lots of rules and regulations we need to follow while you are creating applications, mainly in Django environment. So what are the rules and where exactly we need to follow? I'm giving first command based. Application indicates a kind of service. A project means a collection of a project means a collection of applications. Application is nothing but a kind of service. How this application we need to create? Some of you guys keep on questioning me how to watch the last session. If really you attended last session, this session meaningfully you can able to understand, guys, to be frank. Otherwise, in the YouTube already the same video link existed in Naresh IT channel. Please go through that. Definitely you are getting good idea about the session 1. Thank you. So now Django app is created to perform a particular functionality of your entire application. For example, login application, registration application, some polling application, feedback we are taking from the customers like this. So what is app in project? So an app is a web application which is written to perform a business logic. I can say that word strongly. And a project is collection of a collection or configuration files. And another point is important one. An app can be in multiple projects. An app can be in multiple projects. A project contains multiple apps. So these words correctly you remember related to applications. Now I'm entering into creating an app. Django -admin start app and app name. Beautiful. Beautiful that one. Django-admin start app name. Not only that, in different ways we can create. So I'm giving prompt. Generally, dollar is indicating Unix prompt. You can write even Windows related prompt also. There is no issue. Don't worry about that. So we can write py manage.py start app name. Beautiful. And you want to modify this in different ways. Python also we can use, no problem. And you want to modify in other ways also, you can do that. Django-admin startup app name is there. There we can create a Python 3 manage.py. How I'm giving, you can observe. Manage.py start app name. Couple of things you need to do. So not only in one way, only one command existed, you need to follow that command only to create like that. Conditions are not there in Django. You can use as you like any command whichever is flexible for you. Now by using this one I'm creating practically. Please come with me. Right, stop the server, control pass break you can use, and I'm giving what that one, Django-admin start app, and I'm giving web app. So what is my application name here? Web app. So I'm hitting the return key. So created tree, and I'm giving tree structure. Once you created a web app, see how many number of files created inside. Web app, and web app is a package because already web app inside created underscore init underscore dot py initialization. If you want to make it one folder as package, you need to create this. Admin contains admin related resources. Okay, you can register your models here, which Django will use them as a Django admin interface. So here applications available. where you are going to create specific applications or specific application configurations we are doing here. Models we can do here, definition of database models. So Django automatically translate into database tables by doing some kind of make migration, some migrate, SQL migrate. There are the couple of commands available. And test cases also we can able to write it. This is a good provision actually. Here we are going to write the little bit different kinds of test cases, how we are going to how you are going how you are implemented actually this project based on that one. Views.py, it contains always Python logic. Always you remember, views contains Python logic. How much you are crystal clear Python programming, that much simply you can able to understand Django web framework. Migrations, just now I spoke this word. It stores database specific informations. It always related to models. So I created whatever the project in front of you with an application. So I'll try to run this server. I'll open this with my PyCharm tool, which already I opened in the last session. Come to here, PyCharm, file, open it, where you created admin level, and you can go there. In there, you need to select admin level you created that. So where exactly this is existed, that location also here existed, users. So you can try to take that users level available, or which level, desktop. And on the desktop, I made free workshop. Clearly observe, already video in live as well as it is available in the YouTube. Select the project, not this one. This is root project level. This is Django level. Always you need to select project level. Just click on OK. And it is asking, do you want to open in the current window or new window? Select current window or new window, whichever you like, you can. So once you are selected that option, it is going to open all the resources on your tool. So once opened, I need to show you a couple of things here practically. So whatever I said the words regarding this application architecture, so all these words, hope you people understood very clearly. Okay, right. Come to there, opened already. Go to first project level and app level. See the total structure of the project. Perfectly it is showing all the resources. Project level, app level. So first important point is this one, settings.py. So once you are entering into settings.py, first do the required settings. So where that is, these are the predefined applications. In Django, whatever existed, all these are predefined applications. Now you want to create anything. So create user defined applications here. So user defined applications. Then whatever the application you want, you can. So I created web app I made here. Now application level configuration once completed, you can do your development. So I'm showing to you today basic level some examples, how we are going to write a views logic, how we are going to construct URLs. Today I'm giving an example to you in Django. Come to here and go to views. Views already explained. Views always contains Python logic. So views level, we need to start the things here. From Django dot HTTP, I'm giving HTTP response first. what is from, what is import. Hope you people already you are having good idea about Python modules and packages. Modules and packages, right? So this is a module. From there you are importing a class. Now I'm implementing a function here. My first function I'm writing home page. I'm giving request as an argument, return HTTP response. I'm giving welcome to Django web development. Django web development. Awesome. Simple, only one function I implemented. So what it is giving on the page, welcome to Django web development. So keep on, you need to check for every time your server perfectly running or not. If you are doing any mistake, it is immediately reflected. Reflected means somewhere else you are doing the mistake in your coding or in your project. So just once views completed, that you need to link with the URLs. How you need to link? Where you wrote the views in web app. From web app, what you need to import? Views you need to import. In views, what you implemented in the path function, you try it. My page is home, I want. Just you can say views dot what function you implemented, home page function you implemented. So just one URL, one function in the views I developed. If you are going to run this server perfectly, what information you are getting, we'll try to observe. See, server refreshing. Automatically it will happens. Automatically it happens. Whatever the modification you are doing here, for example, you are doing another modification here, immediately it will restart. So this is the nature of that. Okay. Right. For example, I'm going to remove this totally. Now you can observe. Now, for example, you removed everything. You don't want, for example, anything. Okay. So now I'm going to. So server already started that. And again, see, again refreshing that. A few seconds, just you need to wait. So again, you are giving some name here. So observe now and you can observe. A few seconds, you can wait and it is refreshing. It is going to show you. Always it is giving that refresh. So now once servo perfectly works, see, refreshing, just a few seconds you need to wait. Every modification, whatever you are applying here, immediately reflect. For example, you are not giving comma, out you are. Now it is giving, observe now. A few seconds. That refresh, whatever is your comma not existed, immediately it is going to refresh. So that is providing. Check it that. Check it, observe. See, invalid syntax. Very good. You can go there and put a comma there. Yes, you can observe. See, immediately. Oh, nice. Then go to now web page and you can use, for example, I said home. Super. Welcome to Django web development. Because whatever you typed here, the page name and whatever you entered the page name, both are matching. For example, here home available like this. Now you are refreshing this one. It is checking that page not found 404 error. Request method, request URL, and observe here home. So it is giving very clearly suggestion to you home, but you typed home. So that itself indicates you did a mistake here. Okay. Now I'm coming here and try to change that simple letter and you can. So at least you can try to come back again. You modified nothing here. You are not giving anything. Now you are trying to check the server first. Server loading. Okay, refreshed already server. Now you are giving this one, you are out. Because it is saying very clearly information. Only admin available, second one is nothing, but nothing area you are giving home. Okay, try to remove that, and you can. Super. You are following that words or not, you can check it properly, guys. Yes. Yes. So perfectly simply working out the URLs. I'll try to develop another function here. Okay, another function I'll try to develop here. Views I'm giving here. Come to def. My page I provided. I'm passing request as an argument. Return HTTP response. It is my page. That's it. Now this function purpose, I'm writing one URL here. Come here. Then path, I said here, for example, M page I said. M page means my page, and a views dot, I'm giving my page. Awesome. Now server refresh or not, you can check it perfectly. Super. Then this is the home page, and I want to use here M page. It is my page. So if you come to here, you are removing this forward slash. Okay, no problem. You can remove that and come down and you can refresh. Now only the forward slash you can remove. M-page you can say. Understand that. So it is giving very clearly that page not found. So every address is separating in web environment. There is a forward slash. So each and every syntax correctly identify, guys. Okay, come down. Now come to views. You wrote the logic. Now I'm applying here some HTML. Actually, giving HTML code inside the views is not entertained. It is not at all recommended. Not at all recommended. But just view purpose I am showing to you. Just go there and you can provide home page. First of all, that is what kind of home? Direct. You no need to type any address. So, welcome to Django web development. So come here. I want to provide some kind of styles also. This is also not legal. This is also not legal because in views only Python code strongly recommended, but supporting. And you can implement here CSS related anything. So CSS, HTML knowledge is required to do better web application development in Django. So whatever updates you are doing here immediately. So you want to add font size here, you can add also. Yes, and you can refresh font related things. Any kind of property, text, for example, decoration, you want to do overline. Yes, spellings carefully you need to follow. Spellings carefully you need to follow. Overline, underline, line through. They are the different. For example, line through you create. Line through you required. Refreshing. Good. So we can implement our HTML, CSS, all the static kind of technologies. H2 I provided here. Yes, you are going to close here. Yes, you can see that. Which one, that one, which page that one actually. And M page, something I kept. It's my page. So here also you want to implement all these features, whichever just now you wrote. Yes, you can simply Control C and Control V here. At the same time, underline I'm writing because a little bit different view purpose. 40 pixels. And I'm writing here Tahoma. Anything that is up to you. And you are writing a blue color and 00, 00, and I'm giving FF. Now you are going to refresh. So it is affecting or not, you can try to check it, all these things. Complete thing, end to end. All your questions, whichever you are asking in your chat box, at the end of the session, I'll try to answer, guys. Don't worry about that. Please let me give some basic information about Django Web Framework so that in upcoming days you want to know it. Django is how much powerful by practicing all these examples. Okay. Right, guys. So this is one small example on app creation and how to apply on the app related view and HTML or cascading style sheets related styles also I shown to you guys. Hope you understood that. Up to here, at least you got a small idea means enough. Right. Here we can develop views level views.py only Python logic. Then why you implemented HTML? Why you implemented CSS? This is not correct actually. This is a wrong idea. So that HTML CSS purpose, we need to start a separately templates concept. So that is only MVT, model view template. So now there actually, whenever we are going to work out these login registration level or one order form, definitely. But many of you guys, at least basics level, there is no idea. So definitely that login registration forms already existed videos. Please try to watch who are requesting in the chat box. Okay, already videos I kept. Okay, and let me provide first some basics information to our who are attended mainly for freshers. Okay, now HTML CSS purpose, we need to implement templates concept available. What is a template? How these templates are working in a powerful manner, we guys need to observe all these resources one by one. So, okay, Django needs a convenient way to generate HTML dynamically. So in that situations, we need to do Django template configuration. It is a big concept in Django programming, means the Django web framework. So how to do that? What are the uh, what are the navigations we need to follow to do these kind of templates? I'll show you step by step. You can try to understand the words. So I'm getting Django templates. So okay, I said Django needs a convenient way to generate HTML dynamically. Super. So whenever you are giving that one, it is awesome. It is reducing readability. So Python code, whenever Python coding is mixing with HTML or HTML you are mixing with Python code, definitely it is reduced readability. So Python developer need to concentrate in both areas means sometimes trouble. So you can separate the resources, then always fine. So just I'm going there. So now I'm giving one project with the templates. So where this templates configuration available in the settings.py, go to settings.py and templates configuration. Templates equal to, and whatever backend directories, app directories, options, context processors. All these big things I'm not discussing right now. Just I'll talk about right now templates, where you need to configure these templates. You need to configure the templates here. First, I need to import OS. Then once OS is there, we need to observe here. So one constant I need to create, and OS dot path dot join. You need to join with the base dir, and we need to create templates. Even directly also templates we can able to create. So if you are doing like this, this is global path. If you are using C drive, D drive, E drive, any drive in your system, there is no matter. Whenever this project you are copying and giving to your friend or your client, happily it get executes because you are not hard coded. If you are not writing like this, maybe you are running your Django project in your C drive. If you are copying this project and you are giving to your friend or your client, maybe that system doesn't have C drive, automatically the project gets failure. So that information purpose, actually we are going to do some kind of path settings in our settings.py file. So once you created this name, and that name you need to use in the templates level configuration. Yes, comma. Once these two things completed in the primary level, you people need to come and join with the project level. First, you need to create project root level by right clicking. You need to enter into directory. There you need to create templates. Templates. Inside the templates, you can create required HTML files. Required HTML files you people need to create. For example, you are clicking on HTML file and you can add a name. You can just hit the return key. Hit the return key. So it is giving automatically HTML file. I'm creating, for example, my page.html. Awesome. HTML file is ready here. Perfectly get creates. Now enter whatever the resources you required here. So this HTML file, how it is reflecting on the web page, I'll try to show you. So I'm writing here Django templates. Django templates. Just title, that's it. Now you are coming to templates level programming. Whatever templates level programming you are implementing, you can happily. For example, I'm writing here H1, welcome to Django template programming. Template programming. That's it. That's it. I'm not writing any of that. More than that, I'm not writing enough. So I implemented that. Simple, I'm coming here. Whatever the information you implemented here means code, you can try to delete it. Because writing HTML code and CSS code in views not at all recommended. So I'm removing that. Yes. Remove it. So a little bit slowly I'm doing, because fast means some of the freshers you are unable to understand. That is very slowly every point I'm doing, right? So if you are coming to already you implemented it. Now this one in the views level, how to add? Remove this, and you removed means URLs level. I don't want that one also. Otherwise make it comment. Come to views. How to implement this one? Right, I'm giving return render and I'm entering into request. So render syntax is there. What that one? Request comma template comma context. I'm not showing any context to you right now. Right now I'm showing to you template. Template where available? Simply directly available. What you created template name? My page.html. That's it. Return render request my page.html. Right, views completed. URLs already home page available, because it is home page only, name I didn't change. Come to here, everything it is reloading, no error is coming. Now if you are coming to home page level, if I refresh, what happened? Welcome to Django template programming. Okay, whatever you implemented that one, same thing displayed. Where is that one? Welcome to that one. I didn't write anything that. So you wrote, I think in HTML page level, welcome to Django template programming. Correct or not? So now in the views level, already you updated mypage.html. So you need to refresh or not. You can check it already server refresh, but it is giving old message. Observe old message. So where it is available, if you are going to restart the server, for example, again you are running in the buffer, maybe it is available and it is giving that Django templates title change here. Template programming perfectly changed. The buffer level, no chance. Sometimes when the buffer level available, just stop the server, you can restart the server. Automatically buffer level programming will be out. So now template programming correctly, it is working. Where now I want to do here style is equal to I want to implement some colors here, maybe blue color I said. Okay, whenever I'm saying blue color, you can come here and try to refresh that working or not. We'll try to check it. 1 second is the mouse problem. Right guys, now I'm coming here, just you can try to refresh. Perfect. But writing like this again, it is not correct. HTML file must not contains actually cascading style sheets. You need to develop separately that. So if you want to develop like this, CSS, you are having idea, good. You want to develop like this. Okay, go to head environment, means head level, style, and inside tag selector. You need to take that. H1 is a tag here and implement color red I said. Working or not, we'll try to check it. Yes, perfectly. And you are giving, for example, font size only 10 pixels, you said. Yes, refresh perfectly. You said, for example, 100 pixels. Beautiful. Outstanding. And now you are giving only 50 pixels. Good. And you are giving here text decoration. Underline. Right? So underline text decoration. So applied or not applied, you only tell me that. Yes, even spelling mistakes also very important here. All the ways I'm showing small mistakes you are doing, you are not keeping again here, and you are checking here, output won't come. Sir, whatever you wrote, I am writing same thing, but it is not coming. So carefully you need to follow the syntax. And even you can try to use some kind of mark you. Of course, nowadays we are not using that. Mark is already outdated. You know that it is not there now, right now. And when HTML5 entered, mark is not there from HTML4. Welcome to Django template programming. So good and simplified this one. This is the way correct. Again, you want to implement this cascading style sheets separately. You need to follow again Django static resources concept. How we need to follow Django static resources concept, I'll show you that one also. Now I explain to you first one project without any templates, directly implemented HTML CSS code in views.py level. Then I made the point very clearly, implementing in views other than Python code is illegal. Then develop that illegal code separately, I said, that is called templates. I implemented separately perfectly. There you understood clear. Now, when you come to cascading style sheets writing like this is also not recommended. So this cascading style sheets also you need to implement separately. Those are called static resources. How to implement these static resources? We'll try to observe those we are calling Django static files. So let me speak first about what are the Django static resources or static files. So these static files are very helpful to you guys to implement static resources. So we worked with the HTML files. I implemented the HTML file CSS also. That is not correct. Then go to your project level, create one static folder. In that static folder, you need to create the static resources like CSS, images, scripting related, All these resources we can able to develop that. So there again, if you are going to I'm talking about the Django static files. First let me write some information so that you people are pretty clear. In the YouTube it is live, so you people can understand very clearly. So what are the static resources? Resources in Django. How you come to know what are the static resources? Very good. So simply we are entering into directly Django project settings.py. Come all the way down. All these are static resources. Cascading style sheets, Java scripting, images. Cascading style sheets you want to study. Number of videos already existed in Naresh IT channel. Please watch. JavaScript. Videos existed. Images, how to insert in web pages already kept. So please try to watch all videos. Any technology related videos existed in Naresh IT channel, try to watch. But Django purpose, what are the prerequisites you people required? All the videos, sufficient videos available in Naresh IT channel. Please go through that. So now I'm giving CSS, JavaScript, images, static resources in Django. So before you are going to create static resources in Django, first in Django project, in Django project, you need to create static folder. Then inside static folder, you need to create inside static folder, you need to create what we required, CSS required, CSS folder. So inside again static folder, first up to images I'm showing, you need to create which folder, images folder. Again CSS folder, inside we need to create CSS files. Here you need to add any image with any extension. There is no problem here. PNG, JPG, GF, like that, there is nothing. Any image you can put there. So what about audio, video files or other things? Definitely will come there. So first these resources practically will try to understand. Go to first settings.py and do the static settings. Where we need to do static settings, here we need to do static underscore dir equal to os dot path dot join. This is one way I'm showing. This is only the way. In always don't think in the project level. Differently also we are going to configure customization completely Django web framework. Right, come to static resources level. Anywhere you can configure this one also, you need to work out. Just, and I'm giving here files, and this is the constant. Compulsory you need to write like this only. Static files underscore dirs equal to. Once configurations completed, server properly responding or not, you need to check it. Every modification time, every updation time, server proper way responding or not, you need to check it. If you are not providing proper resources, server immediately giving a sense to us. Observe. So immediately name error, and you need to modify that error immediately, realize that, and you can try to run the server. Many people developing Django project in various tools, but they are not checking server what is happening. So this is highly recommended. Server properly responding or not, we need to check it. Otherwise critical. Okay. Anyway, you people understood all these fundamental rules. Static level configurations also you are pretty clear. Come down, and where you created static resources purpose, you created here. So this is constant representing. In Python, constants or literals generally identify with capital letters. It is not a rule. It is just a kind of convention. Right. Now I'm entering into project level. Already configuration completed, project perfectly working. Come here. So already remove this. Go to project, right click and static resources. Static inside I need to create CSS. CSS inside I need to create one file. I'm creating hello.css. In this hello level, I'm implementing cascading style sheet. Just I wrote color red. Very carefully, you need to observe my ideas. Now, once you completed these static resources, compulsory you need to link with HTML files. How do you need to link that? By adding a kind of separate language is there here, that is Jinja programming we are calling load static. Then only it can able to recognize load static, you must say. Very good. Then you need to insert the resources here, link and href. What is the file name there available? That you need to write here by using Jinja program. So static, what is Jinja, how it is working. So definitely one video I'll keep, Jinja programming level. So you will understand that, but concept is coming. I'm speaking the terminologies. Again, in the comment box said Jinja, you didn't teach. And again, you are using Jinja programming. Already videos available. Please try to watch. Okay, static. And CSS inside, there is a name available, hello.css. Then relation equal to style sheet. Generally, singular tags. Singular tags means what? Empty tags we are closing at the ending forward slash. Just it is convention, not a rule again. So static CSS inside hello.css existed. CSS level, whatever developed resources, I linked completely here and loaded. And now this is affecting or not, we'll try to observe. Already server running perfectly, reloading doesn't required, and URLs also existed. I didn't modify anything. Now we'll try to refresh just that one. Okay. So this is 100% proper way as per the real-time industry. You never ever write all the resources in views.py. Writing like that, not at all legal. Every framework having some rules, you people need to follow that. If you are not following the rules, even the output is coming, but that is not concern. So that is not that we are not taking into account. Previously also, welcome to Django terminal programming, different colors came, already you enjoyed, but this is perfect. Why? Means in this project level, HTML resources in HTML existed, CSS resources in CSS existed, views resources in views existed, so that this is giving a proper output to you guys. Now you are going to CSS. Okay, modify here whatever you want. For example, I want to modify font size 50 pixels. Good, excellent. No need to say, automatically it will save here. Yes. And I want to add something here. So font face I want to add. Yes. Font family. And I want to add Candera. Yes, you can. See how nice it is affecting. Like this, if you are developing web applications by following proper rules and regulations, that kind of examples definitely giving good meaning. So Django, I know just you opened that, you are doing as you like, output is coming, no means that is not correct. So here, 3 different resources I shown very clearly to you. Okay, just I'll ask some of you people continuously typing some questions. I'll see your questions, then I'll move forward. Yes, guys, are you following this session? Have any question here? Some people typed already some questions here. Django complete code run in browser, sir. Please create login form. Narasimha, I think already answered your question. Already existed the same codes. Please try to watch my videos in Naresh Shetty channel. Okay. Otherwise, I'll take again maybe next example level login only. But before that, some more examples you need to view. And Saroj Kumar. Yes, we can create. Here, web app is nothing but not mobile app. You asked me, what about the mobile applications created? Definitely Python having that kind of choice. Django is not for the creating of mobile applications. There is a Kiwi, one library available that you can try to follow from Python programming. Definitely you can do wonderful web app, mobile application development. Hypertext reference. href is nothing but hypertext reference. Come on, remaining members who are having questions, definitely I'm ready to answer your questions. Django default database, already said in the last session only, SQLite 3. If you are coming to settings.py, it is showing very clear in the database configurations level, and you people can able to observe very clearly that SQLite 3 by default. So by changing these configurations, we can work out with even MongoDB also. Mr. Sunil Raj. Am I clear? Your doubt is clear for you? Right. Django code run in any browser. Yes, Narasimha. Already I'm running which browser? Firefox. Can I run in other browsers? Means I'll run and I'll show you. Browser compatibility 100%. Browser compatibility 100%. Right. Next one, Mr. Narasimha. Django code run. Okay, I answered. For Django, we have to learn HTML. Yes, prerequisites for Django web framework, Python basics required, HTML, CSS, JavaScript knowledge required. So you are having that. Definitely you can do wonders in Django framework. Come on. Come on, remaining members who are having, you can question me here. No questions. See, I'm running on different browsers level. Happily, it is running. I hope you are observing. Narasimha, any browser you can take, no problem. It's not the matter of that. Right. How to connect a database in the project. Actually, I need to show that. Maybe another workshop is there exclusively for that one. That is better. Because if I shown here the configuration, it takes more time. Definitely, if you are attending the Django sessions, we are going to work with Oracle, MySQL, SQLite 3. Maximum I'm showing with the SQLite 3 because it is a lightweight as well as efficient also. How to connect? Sir, CSS is not running the background in my project. Maybe I think you did the mistake in your settings level. Come to settings here and settings level where the static resource you configured DIRS. SC is not there now here. Now come and run your project here. Out. I hope who is asked this question? Mr. Sai Gaud. You understood? For me also it is not working. Where I did the mistake, that one, go to settings.py, write DIRS. Correctly understand. DIRS. Are you observing my screen? Yes. Now you can try to refresh your browser. Very good. Yes. Django, ML related Django projects also I am giving that automation. Definitely it is working out. So get there. Based on HTML, CSS, developing web apps, web services. Why Django? Oh, beautiful question, Mr. Narsam. Now, Django is exactly a server-side web framework. You know that? you are not understanding what exactly static resources, dynamic resources. Client level resources are static, server level resources are dynamic. Django is a dynamic web framework. Please try to watch my videos which are there. Definitely those will help you. And for your question also, Django REST API, very powerful. Mr. Nazima, you're asking questions, but correctly or understanding or not, I don't know that. But I'm giving perfect solution for that one. Okay, static resources client side, dynamic resources from the server side. So Django is related to server side web framework with perfect Python source code. It is a full stack. It is a full stack. Thank you for understanding in a simple way that. Right. Any more you are having questions on that? Happily you can. Happily you can. Okay, right. Now, little bit resources of Django level we can try to observe. DjangoProject.com, I'm entering the website. Once you are entering into this website, documentation existed. Just click on that. Crystal clear information available. Regarding some of you people asked me about the databases. That is the reason I'm showing model layer. Completely backend. Please try to read this. In future, you have any idea to attend Django classes, just read. No need to understand, just read. View completely Python. Python related one. This is completely UI related. So super nodes available. Backend and middle and front end. If you are following these three layers perfectly, you will get fruitful web application development. In a simple way, how to implement that one, you people are getting. So in the second workshop level, whatever the examples I shown to you, hope all these examples in an understandable format existed. Some people are asking me models related also one example you can show, sir. So before model related example, by using some Python coding and templates, I'll write one example to you. Okay. So that it is giving maybe some kind of idea to you, overall example, right? I'm coming out from the server. I'm creating a project. Easy way to understand you guys. CLS Django -admin start project and project name I'm giving here. DJ Temp Pro I said. Any name you can provide. DJ Temp Pro. I'm creating start app and web app. Any app name you can provide. Just tree command. Little bit speedy I'm doing because already you people basics you understood. Yes, you can go to there and server perfectly running or not. You can try to type perfectly running. Come to the respective tool and you can try to open that where it is available. Temp Pro available. Okay, perfectly open. Starting the video a little bit slow available because resources explained slowly, and now I'm entering into the real project and I'm providing to you. All these are existed for you. First, go to settings, do whatever the settings you required. So first, what we are doing here, import level OS. Then you are doing path related resources. What resources we are configuring here? Anybody quickly you are typing here? What resources we are configuring? Right, OS resource already be configured. Come on. Come on, template underscore dir os dot path join base dir. What purpose actually we are configuring this one? What purpose actually we configured this? Static underscore dir. Come on, what purpose I'm configuring all these resources? Just now explained to you already. Yeah, static, these are global resources. If you are configuring any kind of drive dependent resources in your machine, so drive dependent resources always not giving chance to other systems level. So that is the reason global configuration you are doing. So these configurations you need to complete fruitfully here. Okay, first, next configuration is templates level. Next configuration is static level. These are very important resources. And you need to see the mistake where you are doing commonly. This is fruitful, completed. Okay. So these are the resources perfectly you need to do. So then views level, what we are writing? Python logic we are writing. It contains Python logic. Remember that. Only Python logic. That one also I'll write. URLs level, what we are writing? Required URL patterns we are writing. It contains URL patterns. So models level, this here, models, it contains models or backend. So any RDBMS level, it is not the matter of that, because it is having its own migrations, migrate, like that commands available. Based on that one, it is working. Then apps configuration. Apps configuration. We can write the flow of test. Test cases. Apps I wrote admin. It contains Django admin config. So models config also I can say. Also we are doing here. What more things available here? INIT migrations, already I said, it contains completely database related migrations. So it is a, what we can say, it is a package it is indicating. So almost every file very clear here. In this structure, every file I made very clear. Every file I made very clear. You have any question on any file, please you can. So this is root level. This is Django level. Project level, Django level. Please, this is app level. Yes, Mr. Sunil Raj, understood clearly the resources? Yes, guys. So I don't know how many you people clearly you got the information from here. So maximum I tried all the resources in the Django basic level. Definitely models level, I'll take 2-3 workshops, because some of you people asked me that one models related also. And what? Yes, this video available already live in the YouTube environment. Already live in the YouTube. Just go through and you can try to, once again, you can read not only these videos, almost 15 to 16 videos already uploaded. 15 to 16 videos already uploaded. You can try to watch. You are getting definitely good subject in the basics level. Good subject in the basics level. Please go through that. Thank you, guys. If any question is there, please ping in the chat box. I'm ready to answer. Thank you for attending. Same video existed in the YouTube. Please try to watch. Other videos also available. You need other videos. Just go to layer and Django by me. You are getting and see if you are giving. See the videos. All the videos. You can click anyone. Perfectly explain all these things. Definitely, you are getting excellent resources. You can follow that. Thank you, everyone. If you have any question, please ping in the chat box. Come on, guys. You are having any question, please ping. Everything we are updating, Mr. Saroj, in our nareshit.com website. Please go through that. Everything we're updating there. Thank you. Thank you. Happy Diwali. Thank you, guys. Django exclusively for web environment, Mr. Sunil Raj. Come on. Thank you. Bye, everyone. Yes, configurations I'll show you. This is Saroj Kumar. Even I'm integrating nowadays with this one cloud also. Thank you.